Hi my Nesters, I'm Vanessa and welcome back to my nest. Okay Nesters, so I'm bringing something brand new to the nest. It's something that I like to call Foodie Friday. On random Fridays throughout each month, I'm going to be bringing you some recipes right from my kitchen. Today, we are making lactation brownies for all you mamas. And if you don't want to call them lactation brownies, they're just really healthy but delicious brownies. If you're not a breastfeeding mom, you're still going to want to make these. They're super healthy but really delicious, so you don't want to miss out. I wasn't able to breastfeed because my milk didn't come in from the very beginning, but that's a different story for a different day. But for today, for you mamas who want to increase their milk supply, I have heard that the ingredients within these brownies really helps increase your production, so I suggest giving it a try. So with that said, let's make some brownies. Now, I need to stop you guys for just 1 second and tell you there's one thing I would change when making this recipe again. So when you make it, when you're doing all of your ingredients in the blender, do all your dry first like you will see, but then dump that out into a side bowl, then put all your wet ingredients into the mixer, blend that up, and then put the dry ingredients on top and do the full blend. The way that I did it, the wet wasn't getting fast enough to the blade, so I think that's why it was having a hard time to process. So just do it the opposite way that I did. Dry first, dump it out, do all the wet, keep it in there, put the dry on top, and then blend it all together, if that makes sense. you guys give this recipe a try. It's so good. And they're somewhat guilt-free brownies because they're super healthy. So whenever you're craving something a little cheat-worthy, make these brownies. They're so good. And my breastfeeding mamas out there, please, if you're having trouble with your production, give these a try and let me know. I want to hear from you if they actually help you or not. If you Nesters make this recipe, please send pictures to me. I want to see. Send me a DM on Instagram and send me the picture. I want to see your creations. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here on the Nest as one of my Nesters. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious episode of Foodie Friday, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I'm gonna say, I want you to do a husband tag. Oh, no hands. Put your arms in mine. Okay, ready? Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I hope you consider subscribing because you want to be here. Trust me. So my face is a totally different color than my hands. That's because I put self-tanner on this morning and it just was not quite right. I actually bought it from wish.com, so I think there was something wrong there. Subscribe below.